Assalamualaikum guys, I hope you are doing fine. As you know that my name is Muhammad Bilal and I've been teaching English since 1 year. I had a great experience, still I am teaching. So I can speak English in three accents, British, American and Pakistani as well. But right now I'm just speaking totally normal. I'm not using any kind of accent because I've just got a lot of comments. They are saying that are you using American accent or British accent? So neither. I'm not using any kind of accent right now. I'm just speaking totally normal. But maybe if you are finding something different, then it will be my pronunciation. My pronunciation is just like that. So which can make different from the others. So accent depends upon pronunciation. If your pronunciation is good, then your accent will be automatically good. Then your accent will be automatically like a American, or I can say British. So today's my lesson is that how can we speak English? We do have a lot of vocabulary, we do have a lot of knowledge about English still, but we can't speak English. So what's the reason behind this? Why we can't speak English? So why is that? Why is it happening that why we can't speak English? So first thing is that we are not getting that kind of environment where we can do our practice. We are not getting that friends with we can speak English, and there is no that kind of platform where we can speak English. Yeah, obviously there are a lot of platforms where you can do your practice, but maybe you are unaware of that things and that applications. So don't worry. In this video, I'm going to tell you proper things that how can you do your practice. If you do have your friends that can speak English with you, so that's really good. And if you do have that such kind of fear and shame and shyness to speak with others, then don't worry. You just have to do one thing. Just hold up your mobile in your hand and try to open the camera. Obviously, don't try. Just open the camera and try to speak in front of camera and record your video. After end up the video, you just have to watch out your whole video. If there is any mistake, just find out mistake through the Googles, or you can also ask to your students, to your friends, or to your teachers. So this is the good way you can speak English. Otherwise, if you do have lot of vocabulary, if you do have lot of knowledge and you lot of, I can say, advanced things, but still you can't speak English, because practice makes man perfect. Without practice, you will be never able to speak English. In which way you can do your practice? Yeah, there are some kind of platforms which are like I can say Talk or AC Fluency, which is an Indian application. But if you are from India, then it's really good for you to download this application, and you can get this application from the Play Store, and you just have to write there AC Fluency. Really, this is amazing platform where you can get all the time 24 hours. I can say you can get people when they are having a nice conversation. You can also speak with them and you can do your practice 24 hours. You have to do practice at least 20 to 25 minutes daily basis. If you will miss your practice, that means you will lose your confidence for speaking English. I'm damn sure if you are coming in front of your camera first time, and you are just thinking that I must have to do practice for speaking, and you are having conversation in front of your camera, you will get stuck and you will get I can say shock. You will think that a lot of audience, a huge audience which is observing me, and I have to speak in a correct way. So that fear and that kind of, I can say, anxiety will make you better. So again, I'm saying that if you don't have that friends, that teachers, that kind of environment where you can do your practice, so you don't need to be worried. Another question is that which accent is better, which accent we should have to speak. First of all, I just want to tell you that accent doesn't matter. Your pronunciation must be good. Your pronunciation must be clear so the other person can get you. For example, if you're using any kind of accent and you are conveying your message to the other person, but the other person can't be able to, I can say, understand your pronunciation. Your pronunciation is too awkward. You are using any kind of accent. At that time, there is no use of your English, because you are not conveying your message. Yeah, you are conveying your message, but you other person can't be able to understand just cause of your accent. So your pronunciation must be clear. And if you want to learn any kind of accent, so which accent is better? So I will say suggest you to learn British accent, which is, I can say, mostly people, they are just using British accent, and it's really, I can say, informative accent and efficient accent if you are speaking. I hope this lesson will be informative for you, and if you do have any kind of question, then you can ask in the comment box. There is no restriction of comments. If you want to give me any advice, then your advice will be also informative for me. So thanks for your precious time. Have a good day. Take care and bye.